In the peaceful village of Kindlebrook, where the wind whispered secrets through the trees and birds sang lullabies, lived a gentle boy named Bennett. Bennett wasn't the loudest child or the fastest runner. He didn't shout for attention or boast about big things. But what made him special was something you couldn't see right away. His heart was full of kindness. He always said please and thank you. He helped neighbors carry groceries. He even shared his last piece of strawberry pie with the village postman when he looked tired one day. But Bennett's favorite place in the world was Mrs. Waverly's garden, a quiet, secret patch just past the stone bridge, hidden behind a wooden gate painted with flowers. Inside that garden grew hundreds of lilac lilies, glowing with a soft purple light, as if touched by magic. They only bloom when kindness is near, Mrs. Waverly once told Bennett with a knowing smile. He believed her. One spring morning, Bennett skipped to the garden with a basket of fresh muffins for Mrs. Waverly. But when he pushed open the wooden gate, he froze. The garden had changed. The once glowing lilac lilies drooped toward the soil. Their color had faded, and their petals looked tired. Bennett found Mrs. Waverly kneeling beside a patch of wilting flowers, her face full of worry. "What happened?" Bennett whispered. Mrs. Waverly sighed. "Something has shifted in Kindlebrook. People are rushing, frowning, and forgetting to care for one another. And the lilies, they feel it." Bennett's heart ached. The garden had always been a reflection of kindness. And now, it was hurting. He looked down at the sad little flowers and made a promise: "I'll bring kindness back. One good deed at a time." The very next day, Bennett got to work. He helped Mr. Thistle, the grumpy gardener, carry his tools after his wheelbarrow broke. He left anonymous notes of kindness around the town: "You are loved. The world is better with you in it. Smile, someone is thinking of you." When he saw Myra, the shy girl from school, drop her lunch, he shared his sandwich and even made her laugh with a silly banana song. At first, no one seemed to notice. But little by little, something began to change. People smiled more. The baker gave out warm rolls, just because. Kids played nicely at the park without arguing. And Mrs. Waverly's garden? The lilies began to lift their heads. Each time Bennett returned, more color returned to the petals, and the air smelled sweeter. One day, as Bennett was placing a kindness rock, painted with a heart, by the fountain, a boy named Jackson walked over. "What's that?" Jackson asked. "It's a kindness rock," Bennett said. "You leave it for someone to find. It might brighten their day." Jackson blinked. "That's cool." The next day, Jackson left his own rock. Then Myra painted 3. Then a group of classmates created a kindness trail through the village. Soon, even adults joined in. The butcher gave out flower seeds. The mayor declared every Friday, Friendly Friday. A bakery started giving smile cookies. And the lilies bloomed brighter than ever. Mrs. Waverly called the village together one sunny afternoon. The gate to the garden creaked open, and people gasped. The lilac lilies were in full bloom, tall, proud, shimmering with colors so vibrant it looked like the garden had swallowed a sunset. In the center of the garden stood a new lily, bigger than the rest. Its petals were heart-shaped, and it glowed with a golden light. Mrs. Waverly turned to Bennett. "This one bloomed for you," she said, her voice full of tears. "It's the lily of light, a gift for a heart that sparked 1,000 others." Everyone clapped. Jackson shouted, 3 cheers for Bennett. And Bennett? He just smiled and whispered to the flower, kindness grows when we plant it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.